How to complete identity verification on TikTok. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to complete identity verification on TikTok. Whether you're trying to access more features, recover your account, or just want to increase your account security, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First things first, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, you need to log in via your username and password or the method you normally use. Now go to your account and simply access the settings. Now simply click on account, or you can also find on privacy. Here you can simply find an option that says start the verification process. If TikTok requires to complete identity verification, you'll see a prompt that asks you to verify your identity. This may happen if you're trying to recover your account or if TikTok flags any suspicious activity. If you cannot find it, you're all good. But if you find it, you need to choose the verification method. TikTok typically offers two ways to verify your identity: via email and via government ID. If you choose email verification, TikTok will send a code to the email address associated with your account. Simply copy the code and paste it. Now, if you choose to upload government ID verification, you'll be asked to take a photo of your ID. Make sure your ID is clear and readable. Wait for the review process and you'll receive a confirmation notification and be able to continue using your account normally. And that's it. Once you complete these steps, your TikTok account should be verified.